Good day, everyone. We are the Group 11. Our topic to report is all about logic, the preposition, and the logical connectives and its truth tables.
But before we proceed in our report, allow us to introduce ourselves first. I am Mary Rose Inigo.
Chipal Padaong.
Arwin Lloyd Ambalong.
Okay, our topic to report is the topic 6, which is the logic, the preposition, and the logical connectives and its truth tables. But before that, let us define what is logic. Logic is the study of how to evaluate whether a preposition or statements is true or false. Any combination of words, symbols, or any symbols may be used in the logic statements. Okay, proposition is a declarative statement that is either true or false, but not both. Connectives are used to combine the preposition. So these are the types of prepositions. There are two types of preposition: the atomic propositions and compound propositions. So logical connectives. Connectives are the operators that are used to combine one or more propositions. In propositional logic, there are 5 basic connectives. What are those? These are the negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional, and biconditional rather. So let's start with the negation. So negation, if P is proposition, then negation of P is proposition, which is true when P is false and false when P is true. So these are the truth table of negation and the example. Next. Okay, the conjunction. If P and Q are two propositions, then conjunction of P and Q is a proposition which is true when both P and Q are true and false when both P and Q are false. And these are the truth table of the conjunctions. Next. Okay, example. If P and Q are two propositions where P is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and Q it is the remaining outside, then the disjunction of P and Q is P and Q is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, or it is remaining outside.
The third example of logical connectives is disjunction. If P and Q are two propositions, then disjunction of P and Q is a proposition which is true when either one of P are true or both are true. False when both P and Q are false. This is the truth table of disjunction. The example of disjunction, if P and Q are two propositions where P is 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Q, it is raining outside. Then disjunction of P and Q is P and Q is 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, or it is raining outside. The fourth example of logical connectives is conditional. If P and Q are two propositions, then proposition of the type if P and then Q is called a conditional or implication proposition. It is true when both P and Q are true or when P is false. It is false when P is true and Q is false. This is the truth table of conditional. The example of conditional, if A is equals to B and B is equals to C, then A is equals to C. If I will go to Australia, then I will earn more money. Another example of conditional. The last but not least, biconditional. If P and Q are two propositions, then proposition of the type P if and only if Q is called a biconditional or by implication proposition. It is true when either both P and Q are true or both P and Q are false. It is false in all other cases. This is the truth table of biconditional. The example of biconditional is he goes to play a match if and only if it does not rain. The other example is birds fly if and only if sky is clear.
These are the important notes of our topic. Note 1. Negation equal not gate digital electronics. Conjunction equal and gate of digital electronics. Disjunction equal or gate of digital electronics. Biconditional equal XNOR gate of digital electronics. Note 2. Its logical connective has some priority. This priority ordered to important while solving questions. Note 3. Negation, conjunction, disjunction, and biconditional are both commutative and associative. Conditional is neither commutative nor associative.
That would be all in our topic. Thank you.